We've seen the social media gurus selling you dreams about financial freedom with a future, but they never show you the other side. The trader who lose everything in a minute. So what's the real unfiltered truth? So a future contract, first off, is a deal between a buyer and a seller. Basically, the deal is to buy or sell an asset like gold or oil at a set price on a future date. What makes them tempting so much and terrifying at the same time is one word is leverage. Let's break down the pros and cons in this video. So let's start with why a future contract is so powerful. First, there's an instant leverage. You can control a massive position with a small amount of capital, which is amazing. Basically, it's meaning the tiny market move can lead to a huge return. Second, a dip liquidity. In 24 hours market lets you trade almost any given time. It lets you get in and get out of position instantly. Third, you can easily go long or short, profiting whatever the market is rising or falling. Finally, but the potential of tax leverage in the US, the 60-40 rule often means a lower tax rate than short-term stock trader. But, and there's a huge but, for every pro there is a brutal con. First, the leverage is a visual double-edged sword. So the same power that magnifies the gain also magnifies the losses. And a small move against you can vaporize your account completely. Second, margin call. If the trade goes sour, your broker will demand more money or for stability, liquidity on your position. The third, there is a hidden complexity with the contract expiration. Final, psychology, a mid-grind that trigger fears and greed, leading to catastrophic mistakes. So how do you win? By mastering a risk. First of all, you have non-negotiable trading plan, define your entries and exits, always use a stop loss. Risk management, not more than 1 to 2% of your account and in a single trade. Second, practice relentlessly on trading simulator until you're consistently profitable with a fake money. It's one of the most assured ways to base your strategy and see if it actually works. And finally, when go live, start with a small micro contract. They let you experience real-time trading, but 1/10 of the risk, which is a very good way to introduce yourself into the market. So ultimately, futures trading isn't a scam. It's not a lottery ticket. It's a professional's game. Tool that offers wealth can also bring a ruin. Fine. In discipline and risk management and emotional control, no hype. It's a marathon of perceiving capital, not spring to get rich. This honest look resonate with you and help you, hit the like and subscribe button. Now, what's your single biggest fear about futures? If you trade them, what's the biggest lesson you learn the hard way? Drop it in the comment below.